When you see me a week from now, a nice outcome to have is that we've had in-person meetings with at least 2 of the 4 people who are in the pipeline, and we have a follow-up booked or somebody has already enrolled. I would love to have that be the case by next week.
We have officially signed up our first client at the Long Beach location. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Look forward to working with you.
Thank you.
It's
Yes,
nice to meet
yes,
you. Thanks for coming in.
nice to meet you. All right.
This week is very much a snowball effect, to your point. We went from 0 members, seemingly 0 interest, to now we've got 3 discovery calls today, 2 actual consultations in person today. Traffic still going to the website. We've got up to 400 visitors, and it's only the 13th of the month.
I'm Kait. I'm weird, according to Larry. Today we are doing discovery calls and a consult to see if we're a good fit for someone. Hopefully 1 more at least, and then determining if we're a good fit for someone. We might not sign them up today, but would be a step in the right direction. I'd say that they're a great fit to sign up. I don't think a gym would be a good fit for her. I think what we're doing would be a perfect fit. We are still waiting on a final decision, clearing up some other back-end things on their side, and then we should hear back from them by the end of the week.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
Good job. High five the camera.
Oh, they're framing. Good. You guys are good. How you doing? Sweet. So I'm assuming permits went through. Yeah, that's big. Oh, so we got holes cut out for TVs. Sweet, sweet. Landmine. Yes. Okay. This is the space where we're going to have workouts. No. You've seen the floor plan though, yes? Okay. So, stations, and I just heard it. I won't say it again. So we have stations. There's 10 stations total. This is the autonomous space that wraps around like this. You've seen that from the floor plan. Personal training space is this line right here to over there.
Okay.
There will be where the 2 runners are in there. Boxes get stored here. There's gonna be some storage back in there. There'll be racks right here for storage. The big update on the spaces, the autonomous spaces specifically, that you can see, this cutout, this is where the tablet will go.
Okay.
Okay, so every client has their tablet. They're able to input their information. It's hardwired to the TV, which lives up there so that you as the professional can be from back there as they're going through it. This is going to be a recessed cubby area for the weights for the Anchor system. So you can see that the drywall is all patched back up because what they did was they cut out a section, they reinforced it with 2x4s, patched it back up. Landmine always goes to the bottom right. If you're looking at it, bottom left, about a foot away. That station over there is cut out for it. Those are the big updates on the space.
Nice.
Yeah. For the personal training space, there will not be any TVs.
Okay.
Because they won't have tablets to self-enter. We did get a couple extra tablets, and by couple I mean 3. We got 3 extra tablets for you guys to have so that you can have it for all your programming.
Okay.
And you can see it. I got cases for them. So
Yeah.
you can bring them out with you on the floor, use them, set them up. Be dope.
Good. Okay.
But the fact that they are framing, or they're putting up the drywall out there is really good because that means that the permits that we were waiting on
Have been approved?
have been approved. This week, there are no unexpected problems popping up. It's been a really good week. Oh, no unexpected problems. That one. This is the floor that is supposed to look like wood, but it's actually tile.
Oh, I have that in my old bathroom.
Really?
Yeah. It was gray though.
Oh. I think Sean said he had this in his house. So this is what's gonna run down. This is what's actually going to be all in the front, minus the offices. Those will have carpeting for sound. And then it's gonna run and make that L shape out here in between. This is like our walkway. This is the go to your station walkway. So that's cool, that looks nice. Yeah, this is my. Yeah. Well, this is the first time in here with walls. It'll do. Looks good.
Is it the same size as that one? The same size?
No, this is bigger.
That's what I was gonna say. It definitely feels a little bigger.
Did it on purpose. What?
It feels a little bigger.
So we did that on purpose. Think of it this way. In the mentorship office, we're likely going to have 1, 2, maybe 3 professionals in here at a time. So this, a little bit more space.
Yeah, makes sense.
And I get to be like, you know what, I gave you guys the bigger office.
That's nice.
Yeah. Place looks great. We're moving.